Hello YouTube and welcome to a new text launch video. I got here the brand new Sony WH1000MX3 headphones, the wireless headphones with noise cancelling, and this is the third generation. And I'm really excited because Sony is telling us these are the best noise cancelling headphones out there, even better than the Bose 35 generation. And well, let's find it out. We got high resolution audio, 30 hours of battery life with wireless activated and with noise cancelling enabled. Bluetooth for the wireless connection, noise cancelling NC, Sony logo on the side. On the back side we get we still got the touch control on the side of one head of the earpieces. We get a case, we got digital NC, HQ, Qualcomm aptX HD. And of course, I'm really excited to check those out. So let's open the box. We are greeted by a 1-2 guide. Download the app. Of course, we have to download an app. Before we start, we connect the headphones. Okay, and we start listening to music. And I'm pretty sure you have some settings, maybe an equalizer in the app. But we got a case and we get some papers. That's it. So we get wireless noise cancelling headphones. Okay, this is the fine print, warranty. Oh, and here we get the big starting guide. Let's see here. We got number 1. Charge the headphones. On top here, number 2. Activate them and connect to the app. Okay, number 3. Start listening to music. And this is how to operate the controls on the headphones themselves. So let's see. We got our box, black box with the pocket, and a rose golden zipper. Okay, I don't know why. Okay. Let's open them up and okay. Now I know. We got a rose golden zipper because on the black headphones there's also the Sony logo in rose golden, and I guess these are the microphones for the environment. So let's see. Before we start, let's know. Okay, we have to get them out first. Okay, we see on the right side, on the right headphone piece, we get the controls. On the left, we get only a noise cancelling logo. Okay. Then let's see, what do we get with them? We get audio cable. These are normal 3.5mm headphone jacks. So this is nice. No tiny micro, mini or whatsoever. These are the standard cables. So in case you're in an airplane and you want to listen to the entertainment system on board, you need a cable. I don't know. There's some entertainment systems on an airplane that support Bluetooth. But you can also use the cable if you want to save some battery life. And let's see, this should be also for the airplane. This should be the 2-in-1 adapter. Yes, so this is a 2-in-1 jack. And we get USB to USB Type-C charging cable. Yes, we got USB Type-C for charging. This is fantastic. No micro USB, so only you need one cable for your USB, your Android device, if you're on an Android, your laptop, for example, and then for your headphones, so only one cable and no chargers in the box. But of course, you only you only can use these devices if you connect them to your laptop, to your tablet, to your smartphone, anything like that. And those devices, I'm pretty sure, will run out of battery before this one. And so you need this charger for the other one, and then you can use those chargers to charge this headphone set. So, okay, I don't complain. So let's go around the headphones. And I have to say, these are definitely lighter than the first generation, and maybe also than the second generation. This is, and maybe a little bit slimmer as well. This is the first nice light impression, I have to say. Really nice. So on the right, okay, there we go. We got right here, we got left there, so I will wear them this way. And on the right side, we got the controls. Was it right? I guess, let's check. Yes, it was the right side. So we got the touch controls for volume down, up, skip, forward and repeat anything, or rewind. Then we can, of course, change the size. Feels nice. Yes, definitely. Nice feeling. On the left side, we get some buttons. We get noise cancelling, ambient to activate, deactivate. We get the on-off button. And we get the headphone jack for if you want to use them with a cable. And on the right side, we get the USB Type-C charging port. And that's it. So let's activate them. I got some juice here. Yes. Oh, we got a beeping noise that they are activated. And then sorry that you can't see this, but now I put them on my, number one, they feel nice. Number two, they fit perfectly above my ears, not on my ears, above. There's plenty of space surrounding my ears. And the third thing is noise cancelling is now activated. And this feels, I mean, I'm sitting in the kitchen. I got no noises surrounding me, and still this, wow, this is even my voice. I still can't hear my voice, but it's really getting hard to understand what I'm saying here. And yes, the microphones are not the microphones. The speak. Ooh, this is loud here. Oh, so this is the first really nice first impression of the noise cancelling of the Sony Mark III. This is definitely something. Whoa! What I wanted to say is that, of course, the speakers are working. They have to produce the counter sound to that you get to get the noise cancelling working, and you get a really nice and not nice, a really low, a light buzzing noise. Not buzzing. It's not buzzing. But you hear the sound. You hear just that the speakers are working, but it's not disturbing. I would say that I would still be. Yes, definitely. You still can use them to get some quiet noise, some quiet environment for concentrating, for working or anything like that. I'm definitely surprised. Yes, you feel if I'm silent, I hear this really nice, really light noise of the speakers being active. But I would say, in comparison with other speakers, every noise cancelling speaker got this. But I have to say, this is really light. And in the moment you start listening to some music, an audiobook, watching a movie or anything like that, you won't notice anymore. So, first impression, really nice. Oh, I have to test out the ambient button. Okay. Ambient sound. Ooh. Now I hear my environment. And let's push it again. The second thing is ambient sound control is off, and now I'm getting back to the noise cancelling. Then I got this was not noise cancelling. The first setting is that you hear your environment. Then you don't hear your environment, only use the speakers. And if I press it the third time, the noise cancelling is being activated, and I'm in my own bubble. This is great. Okay, and if I press it the fourth, and now I'm hearing the environment double as loud. So now I get it. So now I'm hearing it loud. Now I'm deactivated. And now I activate with the third push. I activate the noise cancelling. And I always get a voice that's telling me, whoa, this is great. So now, okay. Ooh. And yes, the other thing that's working. If you got noise cancelling activated and you're running around, and then you just want to hear what someone is saying to you because you don't want to I think it's impolite to just, if you speak to someone, that you got your headphones still on your ears. I personally always remove them. This is, I think, definitely the polite way to do it. But if you're maybe sitting in an airport and there's a gate and you're hearing maybe, this is my last call or anything like that, you can place your hand just on the side of the touch sense, and then this ambient this ambient thingy is activated, and you hear clearly your surroundings. So then this noise cancelling is just deactivated, and it will be activated again if you lift your hands. So this works, and now I'm really hyped to test these devices out. And in the next couple of days, will be traveling a lot. So this will be the perfect test environment for those. But this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. And one last thing, how small can I fold them? Well, this should fit nicely, maybe in a pocket of my jacket, maybe of course in my backpack. But this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!